What's happening, people? This is Agent Nadi on his mission to eliminate confusion, and in this video we're going to talk about what the hell is a pointer anyway.
Alright, let's start with something that you already know, hopefully. When you declare a variable, it is equivalent to creating a folder on desktop, for example. So here I had declared a variable called variable A. Now my variable is empty now and there's nothing inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign the value to this variable by moving some stuff inside of a folder. And this is stored inside of my variable A. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to declare another variable called variable B. If I want to assign the contents of variable A to variable B, what I need to do is I need to copy and then paste that stuff over here. Now what we got here is top secret surveillance data collected by Agent Smurf, almost a gigabyte of it. So it took some time for the process of copy pasting to be finished. Just to state the obvious, this is variable A and this over here is variable B. We've got the same contents, but there are two copies of the same content. Number 1 and number 2 respectively. All right, let's clean things up. Now, what the hell is a pointer? Well, the pointer is like a shortcut. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a shortcut to my folder called variable A. Boom, just like that. Now, this is not a new folder. What this is, it is a shortcut to an existing one. If I click on it, it's going to take me precisely to variable A right here. Notice the location. If I click here, I'm opening the same location. If I click here and I overwrite the contents of my variable with some new content, you're going to notice that this guy gets updated right away. Another thing that I want to point out, when I created a copy of content that went inside variable B, it took around 6 seconds. Creating a shortcut or a pointer was a lot quicker because I wasn't making any copies. All I did was I created a shortcut, a reference, a link, a pointer to an actual physical location in the memory. Over here, target is this. If I examine the actual variable stuff, you're going to notice that the operating system is using the term location. That's the location. This is the target to a physical location. That's what it is. That's what a pointer is. It's just a shortcut. It's just a hyperlink. It's just a pointer.
Now these days you can't swing a dead cat without hitting a pointer. Chances are you probably went through 3 or 4 of them just to get to this videos. So, in the next couple of days, I invite you to go, this is the real thing, and this is a pointer to it. One here, one there, never thought about that. One over there. Naughty, out.